Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the phone off and take off the case so you can access the sensor cleanly. You want a lint-free microfiber cloth and a small amount of 70–90% isopropyl alcohol. Dampen, do not soak. Once ready, use a short burst of compressed air from 2 to 3 inches to dislodge loose dust, then gently wipe the sensor perimeter to move particles away. Make sure to avoid excess liquid and keep motions controlled so you don't push grime into seams. Now you perform the detailed work. Take a lightly damp cotton swab and make small circular strokes across the sensor surface. This removes oils without scratching. Once the main area is clean, wrap a toothpick or thin plastic tool in microfiber to reach seams around the sensor and gently roll outward to lift trapped debris. If residue persists, repeat with a fresh swab. Avoid pressing hard because pressure can distort the sensor or push liquid under the bezel. Once the visible grime is gone, allow it to air breathe. Finish by drying the sensor with a clean microfiber cloth and wait 1 to 2 minutes so any trace moisture evaporates. Once dry, power the phone on and re-register your fingerprints. Take multiple angles and light presses to rebuild reliable templates. Test with locked screen actions. If the sensor still misreads, make sure a screen protector or case isn't obstructing it. Then reboot, check for software updates, and, if necessary, repeat a gentle cleaning. A common troubleshooting tip: remove and test without any protector to confirm hardware access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.